morning, students. Today we will discuss addition of unlike fraction from chapter fractions. To add unlike fraction, we first change them into like fractions. Means we have to change the given fraction. If they are in unlike fraction, we have to change into the like fraction. For this we find the corresponding equivalent fraction having the same denominator. Means we have to make their denominator same. If the denominator is same, then we can say that the given fraction is like fraction. Means we have to convert that given fractions denominator same. These equivalent fractions are like fractions and we add them as usual. Already we discussed how to add the like fractions. Suppose first exercise or a question from exercise: solve 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. We have to add these two fractions. Now observe these two fractions carefully. You observe that here denominator is 3 and here 7. Means these two fractions are unlike fractions and we have to add that unlike fraction. For that purpose we have to convert that unlike fraction into the like fraction. For that purpose there are two methods to convert them into the like fraction. There is a one procedure. We have to find the LCM of a denominator. Okay, otherwise you have to cross multiply. Now I'm going to apply the cross multiplication method. Now here 2 by 3, I'll write the example as it is: 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Cross multiply means we have to multiply denominator of second to the numerator and denominator. Means denominator of second to the numerator and denominator of the first fraction, as well as we have to multiply the denominator of first to the numerator and denominator. Means we have to multiply the denominator of a first fraction to the numerator as well as denominator, and we have to convert them into the like fraction. Look at this. Now 2 by 3, I'll write the 2 by 3 and I have to multiply it. Cross multiplication means we have to multiply by this 7 to the 2 as well as 3. Now 2 multiplied by 3, here 2 multiplied by 7, and at downside 3 multiplied by 7. Okay, now plus, now we have to cross multiply means we have to multiply from this 3 to numerator as well as denominator of second. Means 1 upon 7 is our fraction. Now I'm going to multiply 1 into 3 plus 7 into 3. Now multiply 2 sevens are 14 divided by 3 sevens are 21 plus 3 ones are 3 divided by 3 sevens are 21. Now you observe that here 21, here 21, and this is your like fraction. Then we have to add the like fraction, like add the numerator and write the denominator as it is. Add the numerator and write the denominator as it is. Means 14 plus 3 I'll write here and write the same denominator only one time. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17 divided by 21. This is your final answer. Then we have to write, how to write the answer? Write the question as it is: 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7 is equal to our answer 17 by 21. This is your final answer. I hope you understand. Okay, better to understand, we will move toward the next question. Okay, just observe the question: 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 7. Okay, observe the question, and first of all we have to check whether they are like fraction or unlike fraction. Here say 9 and here 7, means both the denominator are different. Then we can say that this is the example of unlike fraction. For that purpose we have to convert them into the like fraction. First of all we have to write the question as it is. Then we are using the cross multiplication method. Means we have to multiply the denominator of second to the first, okay, numerator as well as denominator. Now here 7, we have to multiply by this 7 to the numerator as well as denominator. Means here I'll write the 7 upon 9 and we have to multiply with 7 by using cross multiplication method. Okay, means 4 multiplied by 7 divided by 9 multiplied by 7, plus sign as it is. Then we have to cross multiplication method. Then here 9 means we have to multiply that 9 to the numerator and denominator of second fraction. Now I'll write the second fraction 2 by 7, and we have to multiply it with the 9. Okay, this number 2 multiplied by 9 and 7 multiplied by 9, then multiply to each other. 4 7s are 28 and 9 7s are 63, plus 2 2 9s are 18, plus 7 9s are 63. Now you observe, here 63 and here 63, means that unlike fraction converted into the like fraction. Now we have to add this like fraction, and everyone know that how to add the like fraction. First of all, we have to add the numerator 28 plus 8, and we have to write the denominator just a single one time, 63. Now add this 28 plus 18 is equal to 46, and write the denominator 63. This is your final answer. Now we have to write the answer. Write the question as it is. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 46 by 36. Sorry, 63. 46 by 63. This is your final answer. I hope you understand. Okay, better to understand, observe one more example. 4 by 5 plus 5 by 2. Here we have to apply the same procedure, cross multiplication. Write the question as it is. Then here denominator is 3, then we have to multiply numerator as well as denominator of first by 3. Then write the fraction 4 by 5 multiplied by this 3, multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 3 and 5 multiplied by 3. Write the sign. Then write the second fraction 2 by 3, then multiplied with the 5, means we are using cross multiplication, means multiply like this. Okay, now 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 5. Now write the answer. 4 3s are 12 plus divided by 5 3s are 15, plus 5 2s are 10 divided by 5 3s are 15. Then this is your like fraction. Observe the denominator. Now we have to solve. 12 plus 10, add the numerator and write the denominator as single time, divided by 15. Then 12 plus 10 is equal to 22 divided by denominator 15. This is your final answer. Then write the answer. Write the question as it is. 4 by 5 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 22 by 5. This is your final answer. I hope you understand. If you are getting problem regarding this, just call me back. Have a nice day.